What's up, guys? This is Heis, and apologies on my energy level here. I was not expecting to make videos today. Just got back from Australia. Jet lag wonderland is going on my end, and dealing with getting over a sinus infection as well. But we had two pieces of really big news, one really awful and one really neat, that happened in railway stuff today. Oh god, the Australians have me saying railway. In rail heritage preservation stuff here in the States. And if you're plugged into the Facebook stuff, you've seen probably all this stuff already. But for those who haven't heard, the sad news is that the Mount Rainier Scenic Railroad had a bridge catch fire and burn very significantly throughout all last night. I woke up late in the afternoon, all jet lagged to hell, to all the messages, and saw it, and it's just horrifying. Huge wooden trestle, and it looks like at this point it's probably a total loss. I mean, obviously they're gonna have to figure it out, but spans are falling down, and it's just tragic. Thankfully, it's not on the alignment that they operate right now, so they're still able to operate and all that. But it was on a portion of the alignment that they just bought there that they were going to try and get more service set up on to make the rides bigger and have more fun choo-choo things and all that. So this sucks. That portion of the line where they used to run eons ago was beautiful, would have been super cool, and now they have to rebuild or potentially replace this gigantic wooden trestle. Anyway, there's a link down in the description where you can help contribute if you so feel it. I mean, this is one of those times where the community comes together to help out. It's just tragic what's happened. And so just a huge bummer on that front. I've already given a donation myself, and I encourage anyone who can to chip in just a little bit. It'll go a long way with a lot of people. So just absolutely horrifying to hear about. The loss of this is going to significantly affect the big plans that the railroad had to be more of a mainstay, and it's just disheartening. The folks at Mount Rainier are absolutely wonderful people and quite funny, and their YouTube channel is awesome as well. So my hearts go out to them today, because what a huge bummer. As well, coming up this weekend, it sounds like some of my friends and I are going to be doing a little bit of a charity stream kind of situation for Mount Rainier, so stay tuned for that. Probably tomorrow, Friday evening, that sort of thing will be going on, and we'll set up proceeds and everything so that it'll all go to Mount Rainier for the bridge, because what a tragedy. And now, thankfully, in more exciting news, on happy news types of things that you can check out, again, another link in the description, the frame of the T1 just got completed as well. The Pennsylvania Railroad T1 Trust project, building the 4444, all of them got scrapped, blah, blah, blah. They're building a brand new one. And the frame was going to be one of the biggest challenges. They finished it. So it's like, that's very exciting. So on one hand, my heart very much hurts for the Mount Rainier Scenic, but we also have a good piece of news as a little bit of silver lining on the day. So hope you guys check out those couple things. We'll talk about Australia and all that stuff and what I've been up to over the past couple weeks. We'll talk about it later, but I just wanted to make a video and make sure that everyone heard about these two things, because, good Lord, important stuff today on both fronts. So, as always, thanks for watching.